removing their long-standing facial hair policy that has been in place since the 70s. They will now allow their players to maintain a well-groomed beard. Here's what Hal Steinbrenner had to say about the decision.
I did make the decision that the policy that was in place was outdated, and given how important it is to that generation, and given that it is the norm in this world today, that it was somewhat unreasonable. I did make it clear to the players that it's going to be, it's going to be a well-groomed, clean look. It is important to the leaders of our team, who I talk to, that we maintain that disciplined look.
Wilbon, floor is yours.
That was perfectly reasonable. I don't know that we're used to reasonable coming from any quarter of the Yankees, but I thought it was. It's too late to me. For me, what did Reggie Jackson's mutton chops in the 70s constitute, Stephen A? I guess that wasn't facial hair, huh?
I guess not, but this is what I want to say. I'm pissed off, and I'm going to tell you why.
Why?
Because first of all, it's much ado about nothing. Why y'all sitting on a podium and dressing a press conference over this? I want a championship. I don't give a damn they got facial hair or not. I could care less. It's sitting up there acting like you just traded for some star player. We gonna win a championship. Oh, we're not gonna have face. We're gonna allow facial hair now. How about allowing a championship to come back to the pros?
I don't know if your go-to
How about
would be
that?
allowed.